People often think healing from narcissistic abuse means you just move on. That once the relationship ends, clarity comes naturally and confidence returns. But one of the most lasting effects shows up quietly, long after the chaos is over. You stop trusting yourself. You question your memory, even about things you know happened. You replay conversations in your head, wondering if you misunderstood. You pause before speaking, deciding, or acting. Even small choices feel like a test. Not because you lack intelligence, not because you're indecisive by nature, but because your reality was repeatedly challenged. When someone denies what they said, minimizes your feelings, or tells you you're imagining things, your nervous system learns a dangerous lesson. Certainty isn't safe. You start relying on outside confirmation for even simple things. Did I remember this correctly? Was I overreacting? Am I being dramatic? Even when your instincts scream something is off, you pause, you doubt, you look outward for validation instead of trusting yourself. So if you feel disconnected from your own judgment now, that isn't a personal failure. It's a trauma response. Self-trust doesn't come back through forcing confidence or repeating affirmations. It comes back in small, consistent ways. You notice how your body reacts. Your stomach tightens when something feels wrong. Your shoulders tense. Your breathing changes. You start paying attention without judgment. You allow your instincts to speak. You make a small decision, a choice about your day, a boundary, or a simple preference, and let it stand. Each time you do, you send a quiet message to your nervous system. I hear you. I trust you. You are safe. Over time, those small messages accumulate. You begin to rebuild trust in yourself. You notice subtle changes in how you respond, how you decide, how you relate to others. Not all at once, not perfectly, but steadily. And each steady step restores what was eroded, piece by piece. So, if you're struggling to trust your memory, your instincts, or your decisions, remember this: you are not broken, you are recovering. And every small act of self-trust you practice today is a brick in the foundation of the confident, grounded person you're becoming. Comment, like, and subscribe for more.